In this video, I'll be replacing my DIY battery cable with the Growatt battery cable. I bought both of those battery used. They were supposed to be defective, but they've been working great. Now it's time to wire them properly. This is the Growatt battery cable that should be used with this battery. I'll leave link in the description below. Cable size is 2 American wire gauge. It also has a grounding wire. The box contains battery cable, communication cable, port covers, and 2 screws. I turn off the PV, the inverters, and all the batteries. Then I disconnected the negative wire followed by the positive wire. Then I remove the battery so I can get a better access to remove the DIY battery cable. Now it's time to connect the Growatt battery cable. I'll connect the positive cable first and then the negative cable. It also has a ground wire that must be connected to the ground terminal. I took out 4 screws so I could get to and remove the DIY cable. After removing the 4 screws, I had access to remove the DIY cable. I removed the positive cable first. Then put the positive side back the way it was originally. Now I am doing the same thing for the negative side. It was a little dusty in there. I took the time to vacuum it. Now I am preparing to put everything back the way it was by reversing the process. I find it to be easier by dropping the screw in place and suspend it a little bit as I'm tightening down the screws. Then I took off the electrical tape I put on those covers. I am placing this battery down first because I do not have the top cover for it. Then put the next battery on top of it to cover everything. Then I turn on the system and plug in the Growatt battery cable. I am using the port covers to cover all the ports now. Then I use the 2 screws to keep the adapter in place. Everything is working as it should. The battery are currently charging. It's around 11 a.m. right now. Those battery cable make it look a lot better. It makes the DIY battery bank look terrible. I have to do something about it at some point. It's around 11. 2.1 kilowatt is coming in the first inverter. 2.1 kilowatt is coming in the second inverter. Let's use the clamp meter to see how many amp is coming in those Growatt batteries. 1.6 amp is coming in. Hopefully in the near future I can get more amperage because I'm currently waiting for approval to install more solar panel. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.